I have here a sewing machine case. I'm going to open up this box and show you all the items inside. I got it all out of the plastic. I'm going to put it together and then show you what they all look like. Alright, so we got a little wheel cart so you can put the bag for your sewing machine would go inside of on top of it. Or you also comes with just a cover to go over top of the machine. And then also comes with a table cover as well. So the carrying case, you can just take the sewing machine and stick it straight inside the bag. And then they have straps on both sides that are adjustable that you can strap together. So the straps do adjust, so they can just snap in, and then if you need it tighter, you can tighten it up. And there's lots of storage space if you want to put extra things inside it. And then it zips closed just like that. If you want to use the cart, you can just slip it on the back end, just like that, and it can sit on it, and then the handle can go up and down to whatever height you want. Another nice extra security feature is it will snap in at the bottom so that you can make sure your bag is not going to go anywhere. It comes with a really nice dust cover, so if you just want to cover it so it can stay nice and clean and not be dirty, you can do that as well. So this is the sewing machine pad. Also comes with a cute little bag that you could use for extra garbage or even just to hold things that you want to use. And it also comes off if you don't want this part as well, which is nice and handy. So it's super nice to keep your area nice and clean and to hold items that you need to use. A great thing about this is it can just be used just as a bag without the carrier part. So you could just carry it around with the bag itself, and it has a great handle. So this tray there comes in handy if you're going to be going somewhere that's far distance and this is going to get really heavy to carry. So this is really easy to use. It's just slipping it over top. I suggest to stick it over top before you put your sewing machine inside the bag. So inside the sewing bag is an extra little pad that can go down to help keep it nice inside. I'm going to pack up all my sewing things and put it in my bag and take it to my car. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take places with you. I really love this sewing bag. It works amazing. It fits so many things inside the bag and it's super easy to use. I love that I can wheel this around when I don't want to carry it. It's super convenient. Anyone that wants to take a sewing machine places, I highly, highly recommend it.